Why is this so hard? I'm gonna tag our friend and maybe she can.
So first of all, they are huge. I agree. I was really surprised how big they were when I got them, but it is the right thing. Second of all, the state of your hair when you try this style is really what's going to make or break it. So I have oily hair today, just like you did, but in that video that you watched where I did it the first time, my hair is clean, freshly washed. I have curled it with some loose curls, and I have put in some volumizing spray to add a lot of volume and texture to my hair. And that hair prep makes a huge difference to a style like this and how successful and how it looks in the end. Because when you do it from a slicked back ponytail in oily hair like you tried and like I'm going to do here, it's going to look a lot different, and it's honestly not going to look as cute. But you were really close in how you're doing it. So you're going to pull your ponytail through the hole. I like to squeeze so that you don't lose any of the hair. So I squeeze it, I pull it up to the ends, and I roll back towards the back all the way down. And once I get here to the front, try to center if it's not centered, and then I twisted it forwards till they're crisscrossed, and then I just twisted them back. You don't have to twist them back like that if that confuses you. It just kind of makes it tighter so it's less likely to fall out. So then you are left with your little kind of seashell shaped bun, and you can just kind of tug on it gently until it kind of comes apart. And so if you have layers like me, you're probably going to get a few of those popping out, things like that. But that's where having all that texture in your hair comes in handy, because it just looks pretty and soft. And yeah, you can just play around with it until you like the way it looks. And from the back, depending on how loose you're able to get it, you will see the hair tie. So I do suggest using a clear hair tie. But you were really close, and as you can see, it just doesn't have the same look when you do it from a slicked back ponytail like this. You really need to add all that hair prep and that texture if you want that style to look really cute. Otherwise, there's other ways you can use this tool to get a slicked back look, but I wouldn't suggest this way if you're not wanting to prep your hair the way I did that.